Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play the life game. To begin, each player chooses a peg and places it on the start space. You'll then select a career card and a house card, receiving your initial salary and a starting amount of money. The goal is to navigate life's journey, making choices that lead to financial success and personal fulfillment. Let's dive into the basic setup and first steps. The core of Life game involves spinning the wheel to move your car. Each space you land on presents a unique life event or decision point. You might get married, have children, or face unexpected expenses. Remember to manage your money wisely, as you'll collect your salary and pay bills throughout the game. Strategic choices, like buying insurance, can protect your assets. Throughout the game, you'll encounter pivotal choices. For instance, you can choose to attend college, which might lead to a higher-paying career later on. Deciding to get married and have children adds more pegs to your car and influences your financial path. Investing in stocks or real estate can significantly boost your wealth, but also carries risks. Your decisions shape your final retirement. The life game concludes when all players have reached the retire space. At this point, you'll tally up your total wealth, which includes your cash, the value of your house, and any investments. Some versions also incorporate happiness points into the final score. The player who has accumulated the most wealth or the highest combined score is declared the winner. Enjoy your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.